Hello everyone, this is Maria Jingle. Welcome and thank you again for joining me in my channel. Today I am going to show you how to cook a combination seafood express with spicy and creamy sauce. For the spices, I have prepped tomato, ginger, lemongrass, garlic, onions, scallions, and the jalapeno for the spicy kick. I have the shrimp, mussels, clams, and the squid. For seasonings, I have salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon powder, powdered onion, and powdered ginger. Using medium-high heat with a little olive oil, I am going to saute the spices. When sauteing spices, make sure that you have bring out all their aroma. The tomato will bring a good balance of acidity in the dish. After sauteing all the spices, including the tomato, then I added the clams and mussels. I sauteed them for 2 to 3 minutes before I added the seasonings. Then I added the squids and the shrimps. Then I mixed them carefully. Then I followed the jalapeno and the scallions. I continue cooking for about 5 minutes. You don't overcook the shrimp or the squid or else they will be rubberized in texture. Lastly, I added the half a can of coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, I have made some adjustments and put a little bit of salt. I have shown in the beginning of the video all the seasonings that I use in this dish. With your preferred taste, you can use them. I cooked the coconut milk for 2 to 3 minutes. The combination Seafood Express with spicy and creamy sauce is cooked and ready to be served. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope that you like this quick, delicious seafood recipe. This is Maria Jingle again. I will see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay!